Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Joya and I like to plan and play with stickers. I think most of us does if you're watching this video. Nonetheless, in today's video, I'm going to be doing my July monthly spread and just kind of recapping some of my favorite moments or things that happened during that month. I'm using this kit called Fashionably Wild from Pinkomono Papers. Here is what it looks like, and it's in gold foil, and her shop is on Etsy. I will go ahead and link it. They are just 2-page kits with a couple of icons, some circle icons. These are flags in here. You got payday flags and a couple of headers and then your numbers. But before we do that, I've actually gotten these in the mail here from the company Parku to try out their pens. This video is not sponsored by them, but it's like they wanted to do a review, and you know, if this product is something that I like after today, you'll probably see me using it, so it's a little bit of a promotion. I did receive these for free. So as you guys see here, it said it dries 3 times faster, reduces the smearing. It's 14 different colors and 0.7, and they are a fine point gel pen here. So let's go ahead and pull this out. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and write out something with each of these so we can kind of take a look at the colors and go from there. So let's go ahead. I always start left to right. So it does come with this little piece here. I know you're supposed to write them off, but I pull them off. I can't help it. All right. Make sure you guys are in frame. All right. So that is the hello, and that's the yellow. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that for each of the colors. All right, so here we are. I think the colors are really good, and it's very true to the color of the outside of the pen. It did write, actually, hold on, let me turn off my air conditioner real quick. Okay, so as I was saying, they did write really smooth. I think the color that the ink is very close and matches very well the outside of what each of these color pens are. It did write smooth. It didn't skip when I first started writing them after taking off the little protective cover at the tip of it. So far so good. I think I do like the way they write so far. You know, most of us are very into black. So let me see how my name looks. So it's not the darkest of black, but I think it wrote pretty well. And you think that's the second time I used it. No skipping. And then let's do a highlighter test. So since it does say it's supposed to dry faster, so it doesn't smear, let's put that to the test. So I'm going to write first, use the mild liner to highlight, and then I'll highlight and then write the mild liner, and we'll see which one looks better. So you guys see it definitely did smear. And I don't know if it's I have a heavy hand or what. But then let's also highlight and write. So highlighting first and writing, it did that. So I wouldn't recommend that. Let's do write, highlight a few seconds later and see how that goes. So this one I highlighted 20 seconds after. It looks fairly good. In comparison to that one, it looks pretty well. So yes, that is the pins from Parku. I will leave a link to their website down below if you guys are interested in trying these out.